Siemens creates technology to accelerate the digital and sustainable transformation of our customers in the areas of mobility, healthcare, industry and infrastructure. The reason why we have replaced legacy and considered products from Zscaler, we had to allow for seamless interoperability between all our users, 320,000 in 190 countries, keeping them secure in the office as well as at home, allowing us to be flexible to demerge or acquire new companies. We needed to have solutions which are not limited by hardware, but allowing us through virtualization to meet the flexibility and also meet the requirements from the business. Zscaler has a portfolio of products which is really meeting the demand. It's basically software-based, it is cloud agnostic, and it allows us to really have and deploy the Zero Trust concept. Every connectivity I'm setting up to have a user talking to an application talking to a server, connecting also to our factories. We have 120 out there, where also machines are talking to each other. All these connection points, they need to be secured. For that, we had deployed the replacement of VPN, basically to allow all our mobile workers to working from home and being connected to the assets of our company. After that, we started the rollout of the Zero Trust concept, taking away this perimeter-driven firewall approach before and now allowing us really to have a single point-to-point connection via Zscaler switchboard. Then we went over to the applications which needed to be secured, then to factories and locations. We are also creating client zones for the office areas and also segmenting the network in the factory area. For the client zone, we are using the ZPA product, which is actually established now in 100 sites, and there will be more to come in the future. The biggest achievement was within 2 weeks, we were able to move 320,000 people from the office environment to home environment. In addition, we have been able to reduce cost for this environment and management by 70%. We have also gained speed. For example, demergers or acquisition being done in record time because we are able to integrate the new acquisition with then couple them with our network via a virtualized way. For a large company, it would have taken us maybe 18 months. Now we are going down to 12 months, for example. This is a great story of a long-term partnership where the Zscaler products have been allowing us to really once again being leading edge when it comes to deploy technology, not only for our customers but also for our whole enterprise.